뭐예요? 이유식을 처음 먹어요. 아이고 싫어라. 근데 먹어보니까 맛있지? 아이고 맛있어요? 목말라요? 물 먹을까요?
In Korea. Can you stop that? He was breakdancing. Come on, he was breakdancing. 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 He was good. What song did this say? My turn. I'm out of breath. You like someone to see?
제오공화국.
This is my baby sister, and I'm gonna put a silly little white cowboy hat on her. And I designed it. I'll give you a sneak peek. Okay, I'll give you a sneak peek. There's Jesus Loves Us, which is totally true. Then some stars and stuff. And then there's also like this VBS sign. And then there's Esther Choi, and lots of people signed it. Put a cross on it, and then you can see that thorn thing. Yeah. And then now I'm going to put it on my baby sister. Say hello. Come on. Howdy, y'all. Okay, she's playing with a string, and I have no clue why, because this hat is, like, 4 times bigger than her head. Oh well, what the heck. Bye bye. Cute. And as you know from the last video, my baby sister wore a cowboy hat. I'll give you another sneak peek at it. This is the house we live in. Isn't it totally cool? And it's totally small.
Yeah.
There's my monkey sister, Rebecca Moy. Who's
I'm
holding
not a boy. I'm gonna lock you up in my hand. Oh my
Okay, bye bye. This is getting ironic.